Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to use this beautiful and cute little Mars eyeshadow palette. So this is very soft and right now it is one of my favorite palettes. So how I did this look, if you are interested, then keep on watching. So as you can see, my eyebrows are completely done. So now I'm directly going to apply moisturizer on my skin. So this is Nivea Refreshingly Soft Moisturizing Cream. It has jojoba oil and vitamin E in it. So I'm going to apply it now. I'm going to use this foundation called Maybelline New York Fit Me. So this is the correct shade for me. So I'm going to apply it. This artistic brush as applicator. I think this brush is not for me. It's not working for my skin. I don't know why. So just leave this brush. So I have another brush. So let me just use this one. I guess it would definitely work for me. Yeah. This foundation kind of dry so quickly. So you have to apply it as fast as possible. That my foundation is on, so now it's time for some, concealer to cover the dark circle under the eye. So I'm going to apply this now. So I always love to use my finger whenever I apply concealer under my eye because I think it's super easy. So, but if you are comfortable with like brush or sponge, then you can also use it, no problem. It's just up to you. Contouring, I'm using this Mars contour. So it has like two sides. One has like proper contouring at one side, like it is basically put on that side where like you contour this side, suppose, so it should be applied right here, like where you exactly apply the loose powder. So let's try. I'm basically new to this. I'm like first time using this. So this. powder. Is it visible? Okay, so yeah, let's apply some powder. It's very shimmery actually, you know. I like it. Alright, I'm going to apply this with sponge. You have to apply it on a little triangle shape. To highlight my eyebrow with this one. Alright, so now I'm going to use this color right here, this one. In the middle portion of my eye. And now I'm going to use the darker shade of that same color that I have used here. So this one right here is the darker shade of this color. So I'm going to apply now this color. And just kind of like simply blend it out. Okay, I should better look into my mirror so that I can do it properly. Yeah. And with the other brush, I'm going to like blend it out properly, like very simply and gently to blend it out. Again, I'm going to use concealer for my next shade. So I create this thing in a very, circular motion. So I make kind of like semi-circle. So I will do my right eye. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go in with this beautiful yellow color that completely matches my dress. So I am going to apply this with my finger. And taking the lighter color of the same color, applying this one. I'm taking the same brush and same color, same color as in that I used in the outer corner of my eye. So I'm taking the same color. So the color was this. So just slightly blend it out. Okay, why do I always look at the camera while I have always the mirror? So I should look at the mirror. Okay, so I'm taking the same color and just blend it out. Yeah, I like that. Now I am applying the same color under my eye. And like blend it properly. And now I'm going to use my finger again to just highlight the inner portion of the eye. So I'm taking the same color as I used in the middle. Okay, so let me just use my mirror so that I can do it properly. And now applying this highlighter, this one, here, right here, the inner corner. Now, and some pulses on off camera. So I'll see you in a second. Kajal and lashes are on, so now it's time for some lip liner. I'm going to use this Golden Rose pink lip liner. Although I'm going to use this color that completely matches with this color, so this one I'm going to use. But I love pink color, so why not? So my lipstick is done. Now it's time for some highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighter. I mean this shade right here. So yeah, let's do it. So I always love to use the highlighter with finger. So I'm taking the same color and just just love that. It's my favorite highlighter of all time. So I'm now taking this one right here, this one, for a more structured face, so just a little bit. So this is my final look and I'm done. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!